When your business depends on movement, your wheels and rollers can't afford to fail. At Watts, we don't settle for off-the-shelf solutions. We create high-performance polyurethane wheels and rollers that are engineered for durability. Our proprietary bonding process keeps the wheel tread locked tight, with no delamination, even under extreme load or heat. We test for abrasion, impact and load, so you don't deal with failure on your floor. Compared to generic wheels and rollers, Watts lasts longer because it's made for your job, not just any job. Precision-made, application-specific, tested for toughness. And that's why Watts wheels and rollers go the distance. Watts Urethane products, built to move, built to last.